Hi guys! Every year my avocado tree rains down avocados, more than I can ever eat. I thought I'd show you what that looks like. This is what avocado flowers look like. It generally starts flowering around early June, and the first tiny little avocados start to appear the following month. Then they continue to ripen for the next 3 to 4 months, until they're as big as your hand. They darken from bright green to dark red, almost black. You can also tell that they're ripe because the little belly button at the top turns from white to black. Then they start to fall from around October and November and keep falling right through until January. Every day you find more of them. It's just a case of picking them up. Rwanda has so many avocados that they're now planning to export them. Oh my goodness, avocados everywhere. Ooh, that's a nice one, that is. Bring that into the light. Ooh, that's a really good avocado. Right, pop it there for later. I don't think I can eat anymore. I think I'm totally full of avocado. Oh, there's one over there in the grass. Oh, there's one over there in the lemongrass. A little while ago I heard like this very loud thud. Oh, there we go, there's another one. Oh, there's the one that just fell. It's like an Easter egg hunt. Oh, look, there's loads of them, tons of avocados. More of them up in the trees here. Oops, I better not stand here because they're going to fall. Oh, but every now and again you hear this incredible thunking sound. Oh, you're kidding me. Look at this. Oh my goodness. There's one impaled on top of this wall. Oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. Let me just rescue. That's really funny. Oh, it's actually got, oh wow, it's properly impaled. There's a hole right the way through it. I think I'm going to leave that one for the ants. Okay, alright. Well, I've got ants on me. Yeah, every now and again you hear this incredible thunking sound. And it's an avocado falling on the tin roof. And you jump out of your skin. My cats love a bit of avocado. It's full of fatty acids that are great for healthy coats and claws. Just remove the stone as it's toxic for pets.
mush it up a bit for them. I turned my back for 2 seconds and Jazz was already in there face first.
Come on, let everybody try.
Not all cats like it, but a little doesn't hurt, and they'll walk away if they don't want it. And there's still plenty left over for me. You can make incredible chocolate mousse with avocados. I'll link to my video about that below.
Hi guys, so this is actually a mango that's fallen off my tree. And it's quite a large one for the mango trees that I've got. So local mango trees don't tend to produce very large mangoes. In fact, they're usually about half the size of that when they fall off the tree. You can see a couple of green ones here growing. I used to have a second mango tree here, but unfortunately it got infected. So mango trees and papaya get infections very, very easily. So to save this one, we had to take the other one down and treat it. But this is great. I'm going to keep hold of this. I'm going to let it ripen and get a bit softer, and then I'm going to eat it and see what it's like. Just discovered there's loads of them out here. A whole load of mangoes on the floor. Hi guys, I just got home and I totally forgot about this mango that I picked up from the garden the other day. Smells mangoey. So I thought I'd better try it because I don't know if it's already gone over a little bit. So let's see. It's looking like it should have been eaten already. Actually, it's still quite hard inside. Maybe it's a little bit underripe still. I don't know, it looks like it should be eaten. It's quite very hard. The skin's just peeling straight off. Still very hard. Part of it's squishy and part of it's hard, so I don't know. It smells like a good mango. Actually tastes really good. Very, very sweet. I thought it would be a bit sour because it's so small and small fruit tends to be a bit sour, but okay, so the juice, the pulp is really, really good, but it's very, very stringy. Like you couldn't cut slices of it off and try and get into the other side of it. It tastes much better than I was expecting. It's full of juice. It tastes really good, but there isn't very much of it. It's very small but perfectly formed. And now I've got string in my teeth. So yeah, that's sort of the local version of a mango. They do tend to be really small. That's quite big actually for my tree. So yeah, they taste good, but they're not sort of a full fruited mango that you would tuck into. Now we know. I'm going to go and wash my hands and floss my teeth.
Just the other day, I noticed the mango tree was in bloom again, and so the cycle of life starts anew.